Are you looking for the best under-desk treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. GoPlus 2-in-1. This model from GoPlus makes a great under-desk walking treadmill and also works well for jogging to get more of a leg workout. The max speed could be faster, but for the type of light workout many people look for at the office, you can't beat this little machine. It has plenty of space to stand on, although perhaps not enough for people with exceptionally long gaits. There are built-in wheels to make it easy to move around or slide underneath a desk or couch. It is a bit heavy, but with the help of the wheels, one person can certainly move this treadmill around. The rails on this treadmill can be folded down to put it in walking mode or unfolded to put in running mode for more serious exercise sessions. It's not as easy to adjust as some other models since you have to remove 4 screws to do it, but having 2 modes to choose from makes this machine very versatile considering the price. For people who work near others, the motor on this treadmill is quiet, and there is enough padding in the belt to make footfalls nearly silent. Extra features include a Bluetooth speaker, a cell phone holder, and remote control. There's also a belt clip for additional safety. We have also done a video reviewing our top 3 choices if you prefer watching over reading for our top picks. Whatever you choose to do, I'm sure you will find what you need on this list. Number 2. ANCHEER Folding Treadmill. Few under-desk treadmills fold away as easily as this one does. With its LCD display and heart rate sensors, you'd think it was top of the line, but it is likely the cheapest under-desk treadmill on the market. One of the nicest things about this machine is the lubrication port, which gives the user quick access to add a few drops of lubrication agent to the internal mechanism. Although the motor is a bit more potent than those in comparable models, this treadmill takes less energy to operate. The track is as roomy as any other under-desk walking treadmill, and the material it's made from shows no signs of wearing down after a substantial number of uses. This treadmill is relatively quiet when the motor is running. It has 10 preset exercise programs to help you reach your fitness goals, and you can also measure calories burned, distance traveled, and speed in addition to your heart rate. The only annoying thing is that all this information disappears after each session, even if you just need to take a quick pause. For the cheapest under-desk treadmill on the market, though, this ANCHEER model has everything you need. Number 3. GoPlus Underdesk Electric. GoPlus has built this under-desk treadmill with additional width in the running belt and a low height dimension to make it easy to store under or behind a desk. They place the LCD display on the bottom where you can see your speed, time, calories, distance, and speed with a quick glance down at your feet. For those who enjoy walking while working at a standing desk, this model has an incline that will have you sweating and burning extra calories even at a slow walking pace. One thing that makes this such a great under-desk treadmill with incline is its sturdy construction. It's made out of steel so it can take a few dings and bumps. It should last a good while, and it has extra safety features like a quick stop button on the remote. There are 2 wheels to make transporting this treadmill a breeze. You can also choose from 12 different workout programs depending on what kind of exercise you want to get. The body of this under-desk treadmill with incline doesn't budge while you use it, and the track muffles footfalls very effectively, so you can still use this machine even when the conference call isn't on mute. Number 4. FUN Treadmill. If you're shopping for a low-profile under-desk treadmill, look no further. This is definitely among the slimmest models, but it doesn't sacrifice any real estate on the running belt. It has a bit more horsepower than other treadmills, which is reflected in its higher maximum speed. Even though it's the smallest under-desk treadmill in this guide, it's still relatively heavy. Luckily, it doesn't require any assembly at all, and wheels make it easier to move around. This is one of the only under-desk treadmills that is operated via its app. There's also a remote control, but you can download the app and run the machine with your phone if you prefer. There's also a convenient place to put your phone and Bluetooth if you want to play your music. This under-desk treadmill also comes with a safety clip so that it will turn off if you fall with the clip attached to you. It's a great under-desk walking treadmill that can also get up to a pretty fast pace. For workers who are trying to break up their sedentary lifestyle, this treadmill is perfect. There are minimal controls to fuss with, so you can walk a few miles and get back to working stationary with little downtime. Number 5. Gymax 2-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill. This under-desk treadmill has all the features available on similar models across the market. There's a safety key, a remote, Bluetooth connectivity, a phone holder, and a removable armrest. Like some other models, there's the option of removing the vertical bracket to make it easier to fit underneath a standing desk so that you can use it while you work. However, this bracket is removed with a wrench, and the procedure to do so is a bit more complicated to do frequently. That being said, if you have plans to use it underneath your desk, you can take the bracket off and leave it off without any issue. The remote makes it easy to control the settings without having to bend down or hunch over. If you leave the bracket on, there are touch buttons to control the settings. This under-desk treadmill also has an ultra-quiet motor as promised, and a running belt that softens the sound of footfalls very well. Even if it doesn't function as well as a folding under-desk treadmill, the Gymax is still one of the best under-desk treadmills with all the bells and whistles. It's not hard to use, and setting it up for a run is easy enough to do without losing lots of time out of your workday.